What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the oil on this 2015 Chevy Silverado. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. So we're going to put a drain bucket underneath the vehicle. The oil pan is located right here with the drain plug. So I'm going to take a 15mm wrench, loosen up this drain plug, and pull it out, drain the oil. You want to look at the back of the drain plug. This is a rubber seal on this drain plug. It looks like it's a little bit crushed. It'd be a good idea to replace that seal or this drain plug at this time. All right, now that the oil's drained out, take the drain plug, install that, and take the wrench, tighten it up, snug. Now we can grab the filter. Try to grab the filter first and see if you can loosen it up. This one's kind of loose. If you need to, you take a strap wrench, go around the filter and loosen it. Once you get it loose, then you can take it off. Let the oil drain. Just use a rag. Take this filter off. All right, take it out. And we're going to drain the filter out. We want to check on the engine side, see if the seal is stuck to the engine. A lot of times the oil filter seal will come off the oil filter, so double check that. I always check the oil filter itself, make sure the seal is still there. You can take a rag and just wipe this off. I'm just going to take a little bit of the new oil and lubricate the seal and wipe it on the seal. That's going to make it seal better, and then when you go to remove it next time, it'll come off a lot easier. Once it's snug, you can do like another quarter turn. And that should be good right there. Just going to take a little brake parts cleaner, clean this up a little bit. Take a rag, wipe it off. And we're going to pull the oil cap off. The oil cap is right here. This oil cap says 0W20 on it. We're going to use that. You can also check your owner's manual to make sure it's the appropriate oil. And we'll take a funnel, install the funnel. And it doesn't really sit too well, but that's okay. I'll just have to hold it. And then add the appropriate oil. This Chevy Silverado happens to be a 1500 with a 5.3 liter V8 engine. This truck takes 8 quarts of oil. If you have a bigger Silverado, like a 2500 or 3500, make sure you check. The oil viscosity is going to be different and the amount is going to be different. And take the funnel out, take the cap, put the cap back on. Now I'm going to start the vehicle for about 30 seconds and then check the oil. Dipstick is located right here. So let's pull that out. I'm going to wipe it off right off the bat. Make sure the vehicle is level, and after you start it, just let it sit for about a minute or two. Let the oil drain back down to the pan. Now I can pull it out. I'll check the level. Now we want the level in between these two hash marks, preferably right about there. That looks good. Reinsert the dipstick. And you're good to go. Right, we're gonna take the key, turn it to the on position without starting the engine. Let everything stabilize. Then right here on the actual cluster, there's a little dial. Now, different models may be different. This is more of a strip model. It doesn't have a lot of options. So we're going to scroll through. There's the speed, there's the trip, fuel range, economy, tire pressure, oil life. So once we get to the oil life, it's 32% right now. Just gonna hold down this button. Are you sure you want to reset? Scroll to yes, and then click the button again. Goes to 100%. You can scroll back to where you want to be. Shut the key up.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.